Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to use your own voice in Suno AI to create personalized AI-generated music. Whether you want to make custom songs or just hear your voice in a new way, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. First, you'll need a clean recording of your voice. You can use any free app like Voice Memos, Audacity, or GarageBand. Make sure you're in a quiet environment and record either some vocals, singing, or even a spoken phrase. Save the file as an MP3 or WAV. That's what Suno AI supports best. Step 2. Next, go to suno.ai and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the Upload or Voice section. Click Upload and select the voice file you just recorded. It may ask you to name your voice profile. Just give it a simple name like My Voice 01. Step 3. Now it's time to create a song. Select a music style. You'll see options like pop, EDM, rap, and more. Then, type in your lyrics or select a prompt from Suno's library. Suno will now process your voice and generate a full AI song with your voice on it. Step 4. After a short wait, you'll be able to preview the track. If you want to adjust the lyrics, voice, or style, go ahead and make changes. When you're happy with how it sounds, just hit download and your custom AI song is ready. Bonus tip: you can make multiple voice profiles, so experiment with different tones or styles, even using a friend's voice. Also, if you want higher quality, consider using a condenser mic when recording. And that's how you use your own voice in Suno AI to make songs. If this helped you out, drop a like, comment below what you created, and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tutorials. See you next time!